Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. It's November 22nd, 2024, and you're tuned into your trusted source for daily cryptocurrency updates and forecasts. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this video will help you make sense of today's market action and prepare for what might be coming next. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive into today's recap and tomorrow's outlook. Let's kick things off with a quick recap of today's market action. Bitcoin started the day at $36,500 but faced some volatility. By mid-morning, it dropped to $35,800 as traders reacted to mixed macroeconomic data from the US. But by late afternoon, a surge in trading volume pushed it back up to close near $36,200. Ethereum followed a similar pattern, hovering around $2,400, with strong support levels keeping it from dipping too far. Altcoins like Solana and Polygon showed some resilience, with Solana gaining 3% on the day, driven by increased NFT activity. Meanwhile, the memecoin sector, led by Dogecoin, remained flat, with traders waiting for the next major catalyst. Today's headlines also played a key role in shaping the market. Fed Chair's comments on CBDCs. The Federal Reserve Chair hinted at ongoing trials for a U.S. digital dollar, sparking conversations about regulatory implications. Elon Musk tweets about Doge again. Yep, you heard it. A single tweet managed to stir up a bit of buzz, though it didn't move the needle as much as it used to. Institutional interest in Ethereum staking. A major hedge fund announced plans to allocate significant capital toward ETH staking, which could lead to bullish momentum in the weeks ahead. Before we look ahead to tomorrow, let's talk about the metrics you need to keep an eye on. Bitcoin's dominance. Sitting at 48%, BTC dominance remains steady, but any breakout above 50% could signal a shift in investor confidence toward larger caps. Ethereum's gas fees. Lower fees today suggest reduced network congestion, a positive sign for adoption. Fear and Greed Index, currently at 55, we're in neutral territory, but a move toward greed could trigger a short-term rally. For those of you trading on-chain assets, keep monitoring whale activity in the total value locked, TVL, in decentralized finance protocols. Alright, let's talk about what might happen tomorrow. The weekend is approaching, and historically, we've seen lower trading volumes on Saturdays. However, here's what could shake things up. Bitcoin's resistance at $37,000. If BTC can break through this key level, we might see a push toward $38,000. Failure to do so could send it back to test the $35,500 support. Altcoins in the spotlight. Watch Solana and Cardano tomorrow. Both are showing signs of bullish momentum, and news around their ecosystem developments could spark additional gains. Macroeconomic data. Any unexpected announcements, especially from Europe or Asia, could create volatility during overnight trading hours. For those of you looking to capitalize on tomorrow's moves, here are a few strategies. Scalping BTC in a tight range. Use smaller time frames to trade Bitcoin between $35,500 and $37,000. Long ETH on dips. Ethereum's chart suggests a buy the dip opportunity near $2,350. Altcoin breakouts. Focus on low-cap gems showing high trading volume, but don't forget to set stop losses to protect your capital. Crypto is unpredictable, but that's what makes it exciting. The key is staying informed, managing your risk, and keeping emotions in check. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's update. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your top pick for tomorrow? Are you bullish on Bitcoin, or do you see more potential in altcoins? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another deep dive into the world of crypto. Stay sharp, and happy trading.